Look at you guys. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Look at the kitties. Look. So cute. Yes. Look at Wilie. He's just happy. Look at him. He's just happy to be alive. Dexter's pouting a little bit because, I don't know, he didn't like the coronation. I liked it. I enjoyed it. Oh, look at Dexter. He's sleepy now. He really didn't enjoy the coronation. Wilie, Wilie, hey, hey, buddy. Hey, 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 hey. How are you doing? Wilie's just happy to be alive. Yes, he is. And Dexter, he didn't enjoy the coronation, but I really liked it. You know, my father's from England. Yep, but my mom isn't. She's just good old Canadian. And anyways, I did my 23andMe, and it turns out I'm like 96% Irish. So we're done watching the coronation. Look at Wilie. He's just like literally flat out. He looks like he stayed up all night partying. Look at him. I'm sorry. Am I disturbing you, kitten? Yeah, let's check out Dexter. Hi. Hi, it's over. It's over. We don't have to watch anymore. Well, there might be a little more. There's going to be, Dexter, there's going to be endless days of talk shows talking about the coronation and their spending and who was there and who wasn't there and who wiped the glass, you know, the wine glass that they drink from. You know, everybody shares it and they wipe it. You know, around the edge, they're going to talk about who wiped it more than someone else. And okay, maybe they were afraid of germs. So I bought this new cat litter box. It's small. I bought these great big ones from Amazon. They were almost like, I don't know, 80 bucks a piece. Ridiculous. And one has a hole in the bottom. I should have done what this one lady said for me to do. She said, why don't you just buy one of those big blue, you know, boxes that people store stuff in? And she was right. I should have done that. But anyways, I bought this one today, and there's a door on it. See the door? And I'm not sure if they're going to be able to handle the door. So I might end up taking, oh, hey, woo, woohoo, we got bravery. Now, is he going to be scared and not know how to come out? Wilie, eh? What do you think, Wilie? Huh? Dexter, are you stuck? Are you going to come out, Dexter? Dexter, let me see. Hey, Dexy. How do you come out, Dex? Oops. Are you going to be able to come out? Are you stuck, sweetheart? He doesn't seem to mind it. Are you getting panicked, honey? Are you all right? No, he seems okay. So, yes. I'm just so sick of the cat situation. Really. I mean, the litter. Like, mine are so messy. Good boy. That's how you do it. Come on out. Good boy. Oh, I'm so happy. That was great. Dexter, come and give your mom a kiss. How about a high five?